All right, things to consider. Driver is not 6 foot. All works. Shifter will sit right here. You can just keep your armrest. Arm is still functional. Still got to bolt that in and run this stuff, but still functional. Still functional. Power mirrors still functional. Got to get a little flap for that. Carbon fiber block off for that. This will work. Trunk release will work. Cool part about this is the cable will be able to go back here and use all the stock e-brake cable stuff, airline, all that jazz can fit in there. So you don't have a whole bunch of crap sitting everywhere. So that'll be nice. I'll have one for like gauges, one for vitals that are important. Warning lights to put in. I exposed the Holly for easy diag. I have an I/O module that I'll probably put somewhere around there as well. What else? Got the MSD, solid state dude. Got the NOS solenoid for relay for the brake. Adjustable trans brake. Woo! 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 So somebody redid the headliner. Nothing there, right? Newer dome light.